Hi everyone, how are you all? If you are new to this playlist, please visit all the videos in my playlist. This playlist is about sample written coding questions. If you visit this playlist, you will get the capability of how to analyze the coding questions and how to solve it. And if you like the videos in my playlist, please subscribe my channel and share the videos and like the videos in it. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go to the problem statement. Today the problem statement is program to sum of the digits of all the intervals of all integers in the interval. That means we need to write a program to sum of the digits of all integers in the interval. The input format is the input contains two integers a and b separated by a single white space, where a and b gives the integer. They are the integers separated by the space. Output format must be what in that interval a and b, what are the integers will it contain. We need individual sum. I will explain you here. If the integers are 50 and 55, the output should be 45. If the integers are 28 and 31, the output should be 28. I will explain you. Let's take first sample input 1. Here the interval between 50 and 55 are 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. That means we need to get both input first interval and last interval, starting interval and stop interval. Okay, and we need to take individual sum. That means 50 means 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5, like that we need to take. So this sum will become 45. Okay, I hope you understand. If you not understand, let me explain you here. Take two integer inputs, as we need to have two intervals, right? A start interval and start interval, so we will take two integer inputs. A is equal to int of input, b is equal to int of input. Okay, let's take 28 here. 28, 31, and by using range function we will get the uh, lines. That means the numbers between these two intervals. That means range function will take start and stop. We are all know that stop means only before till before element will be taken. So in order to avoid that, we will take plus 1. That means we are using range function for 28 comma 32. Okay, comma 32. So it will print from 28 to 31 only. 28, 29, 30 and 31 it will print. And in order to take sum, we initialize the sum variable to 0. Okay, after that we need to traverse each element in the list. So we will traverse by using for statement for I in C. Okay, after traversing we will take while loop. That means we need to take individual, right? So we will take while loop. After that, here let's take 28. 28 greater than 0. So 28, the 28 percentile 10 means the remainder will be 8 here. So 8 will be add here. Okay, sum is equal to 8. After that, I is equal to I integer division by 10. So it will become 2. Let's go. Then it will become plus 2. Then the R will become 2. Then sum will become 8 plus 2. And here it will become 0. So it the while loop stop executing. Then it goes to the another for loop. So now here is 29. So 29 greater than 0. So same here, 9 and 2 after executing. So we will get here 9 plus 2. It goes on until it will be completed. So after that, after moving like this, we will get 29, 30 and 31. Like this we will get, the output will be 28. Okay, this is the one. I will explain you here by writing program. Okay, let's take two inputs. A is equal to int of input. Okay, and we are taking C, and we are using list statement and we are using range function to print to get the values between these two intervals. What are the intervals? A comma, and we are range function states only start comma stop, that means before value only it will take. Because of that reason we will take b plus 1. Okay, after that we are initializing some value to 0. After that we are iterating each value in the list, and after that we are taking individual element sum in the list. So by using this concept while statement, and we are taking remainder of each sum is equal to sum plus, or we are adding remainder to the sum variable, and we are doing integer division in order integer division to get another variable, another digit. Sorry, we are printing sum. Here we are giving 50, 55. Let's, it has given 45. Okay, if you want to know what is C, I will print C also. C, 50, 55. See 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. The output will be 45. Let's check what will happen if we don't give 40, b plus 1. See, it will get only up till 54, which is the wrong one. So we will take plus 1 because range function takes only start and stop minus 1 arguments. Here we will give 28, 31. See, answer will be 28, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay. Okay, let me explain the range function. I already said range function has three parameters. Range start, end, stop. It will take from start to n minus 1 with the step argument. Step argument by default is 1. Okay, let's explain here. Okay, if you want to take a range function, a is equal to range of 1 comma 10. See, here already we use a range there, right? We will take e, print e. As we understood that program, we will eliminate it. Okay, print e. Let's check what will happen. Okay, we need to give list of range of 1 comma 10. It will get only from 1 to 9 elements only. If we give step increment, what will happen? See 1 3 5 7 9. That means it will jump from 1 to 3. That means one by one element will be printed. If we give 3, what will happen? We'll see 1 4 7. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Please watch the videos in my playlist. Please like, share and subscribe my